How to get free Discord Nitro. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to get free Discord Nitro. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for Chrome extension or web store. So once you search in for that, you can just click on this Chrome web store extension. So since I'm using my Edge browser, it automatically supports for the Chrome extensions as well, so you don't have to worry about that. So just head over to extension sections, and from here you just have to search in for the WinCode web extension. So you just have to install this extension on your browser, on any of your browsers, just like this, and just click on add extension button over here, and it should be successfully installed. The extension should be installed on your browser, so you just have to wait for a few seconds. So once it get added to your extension, just head over to your Discord account and make sure you refresh the page of your Discord account and wait for a few seconds. So once you refresh your page, just click on the settings button over here and it will take you to your settings. So from here all you have to do is just scroll down under your left section of your screen and you can see there is an option called WinCode. So just tap on this plugins button over here right below the WinCode, and now all you have to do is under this filter. So once you're searching for fake Nitro, you just have to enable this on and you have to restart to apply new plugins and their settings, just like this. And that is exactly how you can easily get free Discord Nitro in 30 seconds. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.